Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a digital manometer. And what this is going to do is it's going to help us, tell the pressure on like fluid and stuff going through tubes and whatnot. So this is the box inside. Oh, upside down here. It is the GD100 by GOYOJO. So let's check it out. Ooh, that's nice. It comes in a little case. That's always good. So it's going to tell us our pressure of our liquid in like a tube. So that's what this is for. So here we go. So this is going to be the electronic device, and it comes with a little 9-volt battery. Let me see if I can open it up with my axe, because that's what I have. Okay. So here is the battery, and here's the little battery case. So connects up just like any 9-volt battery would. Okay, so we are, oh, I didn't put it in right. It's not fitting. Okay, well, if I can't put the battery in, I'm definitely going to fail at this. Okay, there, no, got it. Okay, battery is in, and we got a little plastic screen on here. Where are the tubes? Oh, here we go. Okay, so it comes with, this is where the tubes will hook up, and it came with a couple of tubes here and a connector, I guess, to connect onto a pressure device if you have something that screws on there, like my vacuum chamber or something like that I want to connect up to. So you connect your tubes up and put them in the liquid as it needs to be, whatever it is, and power on. Let's move you guys closer so you can see what it is here. So this now is at 2. I guess it's the different levels of gravity on the liquids and whatnot. But this is it here. So you've got a hold 0. You have the different settings here. So it's 24 degrees Celsius. I can change it to Fahrenheit. 75. I guess that's the temperature of the liquid that's going through there, which is nothing right now because there's the ends. But then we can set our minimum and maximum of what we want, change the different types of units to whatever it is we need. And I guess we can do a hold. So once we get our number that we want to save, if we don't want to just take a picture of it with our screen, we can hit hold. So cool. So really nice little digital manometer. So if you need one of these, if you're using it, you'll probably know what it is slightly better than I do, but pretty cool. Comes with this little case, comes with the manual of how to do it all, and you're good to go. They even have support on Facebook and Twitter. So this is the instructions. So super cool, nice little device, thumbs up.